So next we have Bruce Stanley, who's going to come and tell us about himself.
Good morning. My name is Bruce Stanley, an independent candidate for Florida governor. You might be thinking that on the young side to be running for governor. Actually, I'm one of the youngest candidates at 34 running for this office. Well, I've been working on environmental issues, working on the issues at a legislative level, which my political experience comes from. And what I've learned over the years is that every issue that I was working on would end up at the office of a powerful decision maker. But I would find very few allies along the way because of the influence of money in our political system, big money. We're seeing tens of millions of dollars every election cycle. We're seeing the influence of billionaires, all to prevent these contests from being truly competitive. America does not have a two-party system by constitutional mandate. It's a choice, it's a habit that's lasted for 150 years. And I think these primaries have produced frontrunner candidates that are too extreme to truly represent the majority of Floridians. And so that's why I'm running as an independent, why I'm not taking any corporate donations, and to highlight some of my platform priorities. I believe Florida should charter a publicly owned state bank in order to fund infrastructure projects. I believe that we can reprioritize our budget without having to raise taxes across the board. I think Florida needs to invest in a modern 21st century transportation infrastructure and to fully commit to transitioning to 100% renewable energy. So those are some of the ideas that I'm putting front and center. As I said, I sat down and wrote a platform in the public interest without the influence of any special interest. I'm not taking any corporate donations, and I would encourage you to check out my full platform on my website, brucestanley.com. That's your Florida Independent. Thank you.